Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, January 15th, 2025. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Just a little reminder before we dive into the forecast, we do have our live chat setting up for tonight at 8 p.m. We have a lot to talk about, including the potential for a moderate snowfall event for this weekend on Sunday. That could impact the Eagles game. It's going to be very interesting. So definitely check that out tonight at 8 p.m. In the meantime, let's take a look at our forecast, current observations. We have cold air transport taking hold with a nice northwesterly wind at 10 to 20 miles per hour. That's going to also influence our temperatures. Okay, so right now we're feeling like current temperatures are upper teens to lower 20s over the interior, mid to upper 20s along the coast, but it feels more like the teens out there because of the strong northwesterly wind. It's called the wind chill. Meanwhile, we have this little weak trough here that's also producing a few flurries. Not much in the way of any type of snow accumulation, but don't be surprised to get a few passing flurries here and there as we go on through the day. On the latest surface map and radar from WeatherTap, again, there's that trough, and there's a couple of those flurries enhanced by lake effect snow off of Lake Ontario and Lake Erie. Not really a huge deal here in terms of any type of snowfall for today, but don't be surprised to get a flurry or two with a little bit of dusting. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see the polar and subtropical jet streams remain separated. I don't think I'm going to be saying that for much longer, though. In the meantime, we have this cold front here that's going to be dropping through tomorrow, and ahead of it is going to be an associated warm front, and that's going to open up the potential for a few scattered snow showers. Could produce a dusting here and there, nothing too significant. And then we're watching out for our Arctic cold front. That will follow by the time we get to this weekend. But in the meantime, let's dive into this forecast for today. Scattered cloud cover, windy. Look for high temperatures in the lower to mid 20s over the northern interior, upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast. Feeling more like the teens and 20s with those winds. For tonight into tomorrow morning, look for scattered cloud cover with low temperatures in the lower to mid teens, even a few single digits mixed in over the interior, upper teens to lower 20s along the coast. For tomorrow afternoon, there comes those snow showers. Not looking for anything significant again, but if you get impacted with some of these snow showers, it will produce a dusting of snow. Look for high temperatures in the lower to mid 20s over the northern interior, upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast. On Friday, scattered cloud cover is expected with low temperatures ranging from the upper teens to lower 20s over the northern interior, lower to mid 20s along the coast. High temperatures in the lower to mid 30s over the interior, upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast. A little bit closer to normal. On Saturday, well, that's when things start to fall apart once again. Look for increasing clouds on Saturday with rain and snow showers towards the late afternoon and evening hours. Temperatures will range from the mid to upper 20s over the northern interior, upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 30s over the northern interior, upper 30s to lower 40s in the Delaware River Valley, lower to mid 40s along the coast. Now, that cold front clears the region and an Arctic cold front follows behind it. So on Sunday morning, we'll have scattered to broken cloud cover, a few flurries here and there. Look for low temperatures to range from the lower to mid 20s over the northern interior, upper 20s to lower 30s along the coast. In the afternoon, the Arctic cold front's off the coast, and you can see right on the south here a wave of low pressure beginning to organize off the coast. Not a strong one, but there's a moisture associated with it. High temperatures ahead of the precipitation in the afternoon, let's say around 1, 2 o'clock, will range from the mid to upper 20s over the northern interior, lower to mid 30s in the Delaware River Valley, and upper 30s to lower 40s on the immediate coast. Once this precipitation breaks in, though, temperatures crash. The Arctic air mass invades. So your temperatures fall from your initial high temperatures rapidly through the 30s, the 20s, the teens as the snowfall moves through, which also means that you're also going to see a rapidly rising snow ratio. So a moderate snowfall is becoming increasingly likely for the I-95 corridor and the coast. Interior, this is a little bit too far away from you right now, but still some light snowfall will be possible on Sunday afternoon and evening. And again, this might have some pretty significant impacts for, let's say, the Eagles game, because they have that playoff game setting up right around this time period. So things could get pretty interesting for that one. And again, while this is happening, temperatures are free falling. By the time we get to Monday morning, the storm clears out. The Arctic air does not. Temperatures, by the time we get to Monday morning, will be in the single digits over the interior and lower to mid-teens along the coast. So you can see where we start out in the upper 30s on the coast and we end up in the mid-teens by the time we get to Monday morning. So that's a pretty good drop in your temperatures while the snow is falling, which could enhance your snow ratios. By the afternoon, look for scattered cloud cover. Can't rule out a flurry or two. Look for high temperatures only in the mid-teens over the interior, upper teens to lower 20s along the coast. On Tuesday, it's going to be brutally cold. We're talking about low temperatures, single digits below zero to single digits above zero. That doesn't even factor in any wind impact. So clearly, very, very cold conditions. High temperatures only in the single digits over the interior, lower to mid-teens along the coast. On Wednesday, it doesn't get much better. Scattered cloud cover. Look for low temperatures again in the single digits below zero to single digits above zero, and high temperatures ranging from the upper teens to lower 20s. That is your forecast discussion for today. I'm looking forward to seeing you all tonight at 8 p.m. And in the meantime, stay safe out there.